Welcome to Gourmet Apron channel. Japanese bread is fluffy and moist, melts in your mouth like silk, and it's slightly sweet. Hi there, I am the mom who loves baking. I like trying different things from old-fashioned to healthy. I share lots of things, so please subscribe to my channel and check out my recipes. As March begins, the cold weather has eased a little, and it seems like the number of warm days is gradually increasing. Cute spring flowers are starting to bloom. The buds of the mimosa flower in the garden has turned yellow and are about to bloom. When the mimosa blooms, it tells us that spring has arrived. My favorite way to eat bread is to taste a little bit of the flesh out of the oven. I should wait until it cools down, but the delicious smell is tempting. I also like to eat it toasted as well. And my daughter likes to eat jam sandwiches the most. Homemade bread is so much tastier than store-bought bread. So if you have the time, I recommend you give it a try. Now, let's move on to the recipe. Place bread flour into a large bowl. Japanese bread is made with strong flour to make fluffy, and add 2 tablespoons of sugar. If you like sweeter, increase the amount. Add salt away from the sugar. Next, put the lukewarm water and milk into a measuring cup, making sure they are not too hot, and add the dry yeast. Be careful, yeast will not work if temperature is over 60 Celsius. Around 30 Celsius is the best temperature. Set the butter aside and let it come to room temperature. Once the yeast has dissolved, pour the liquid into a bowl. Mix until it comes together. Once it's roughly combined, take it out onto a work surface and knead it. Knead for about 5 to 10 minutes. Once it's well mixed, add the butter. Knead until butter is well incorporated for about 5 to 10 minutes. Once the butter is well incorporated, slap the dough onto a work surface. If the dough is too sticky, sprinkle some flour on top. Kneading the dough by slapping. Continue until the surface becomes smooth. When the surface of the dough is smooth, return it to the bowl. Cover it and let it rise. After about 60 minutes, check it by pressing your finger If there is no rebound when you insert your finger, the race is complete. Punch it down to reverse the gas and let the dough rest again. It's about 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, divide into 3 parts and roll into ball shapes. Place 3 balls into a baking pan, cover it, and let the dough rise until it's 70% full. Once the dough has risen, bake in the oven. Preheat oven to 200 Celsius and bake for about 25 to 30 minutes. Once it's done, remove the baking pan carefully as it will be very hot. Drop it from the height of about 10 cm onto a thick cloth to give it a shock. This is to prevent it from shrinking. After dropping it a few times, remove the dough onto a rack and let it cool. After completely cooled down, you can slice it and enjoy. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Bye!